Ayan, ang cute ng decoration ko, guys. Ayan. This is season greetings as part of it. This is my boys. My boys. My lovely boys. Cheeky boy. He's a cheeky one. And he is a good one. So cute. He's not cheeky. He's so sweet. Opposite. My eldest one. And this one. Second. So always cheeky is the second one. Now it's in my TV. Yeah. There is things here. Decoration. Yeah. I'm just doing bit by bit, guys. It's so... because I know it's hard to take the photo. So I'm just trying bit by bit. And we'll see how it goes. It's not easy to decorate the house. And take it off. Hey. Hello, hello, hello. Hello, guys. And this is my lights. This is Merry Christmas, guys. Merry Christmas. I just put that lights here, but that one is not on yet, so wait later. Yeah, this is I don't take them every year, just leave as it is. Yeah, it's there. It's nice, it's nice, it's nice. So this is, it's got to, I have too much stuff, guys. And then all the decoration is there. And just try the I tidy up the house really because I have too much, guys. So I'm just trying. And this is my ball for my exercise for my bum. No, I'm gonna do this now. Christmas. All this the decoration is here, so I'm gonna try the opening here. This year I'm gonna do a small decoration. I'm not gonna do a lot, guys, because I know it's hard to come off when you got no time. So I'm gonna do that now and we'll see. Okay, this is the history my son. So every year I have that since he was in the nursery. So I keep all these memories because he does it, so I need to keep it. And now he's playing upstairs, starts swearing now. So I'm just trying to bit by bit, guys. It's not easy. Oh, you can see there's a Christmas things here. Meron akong decoration dyan. Meron ko naman. Ayan. May ilaw. May ilaw siya. And then, what I've got here, the balls. Yeah. Ito, nilagyan ko siya ng ano. Every year, I do this. Just going up here in the put that Christmas light later. So the stairs got Christmas light later, guys. So from the top, then I'll put the Christmas light, the white one. Okay. Hi, guys. Ako'y magluluto. Marami akong lulutuin. Maraming kalat. Maraming kalat. So today is madaling, medyo magluluto po ako ng spaghetti. So I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. I'm cooking spaghetti, guys. And I'm cooking rice. Ang laki ng ano ko, oh. Gawin ng talong. Ang laki ng talong. Ang laki ng talong, guys. I've been to town today, guys. So, because I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. So, while waiting the spaghetti, pumunta ako, I've been to town early in the morning. And what I've got, I bought this salmon fish head. So, that's the one I'm gonna cook today. Salmon fish head is like £1 per head. So, this is, I'm gonna do some sinigang later with my friend to come here. So, this is the fish. It's a fishy one. Fish. So that's what I'm gonna cook. Sinigang mix. So I'll put that in there first. I'm gonna cook some spaghetti. I like 1 kilo of spaghetti today. Yeah, enough that spaghetti. 1 kilo today. And then I'm gonna cook sinigang and then spaghetti. So I'm waiting for my food. I want to eat some food. But I'm gonna do some sinigang first. Because I'm hungry too. Then fish first. Then I bought like this also. I need to slice them. Yeah. Just need slicing. Pork sinigang also. So marami siya, oh. It is only 3 pounds, guys. Ang dami niya, 3 pounds. Ay buto-buto siya. It's 3 pounds. Equivalent ng ano. I need to wrap this fish first. Mas maamoy. Salmon fish actually ito. Salmon fish. Salmon fish. So, I'm gonna do that now. Balagay ko muna ba basura sa labas. So, kumukulo na siya. I need to put this now. Spaghetti. And I put some oil and salt on that one. So it's ready to make some pasta later. Really dry today. What I'm gonna manage this. I'm gonna cook a lot today, guys. I'm gonna cook the sinigang. I'm gonna cook sinigang. I miss sinigang. So get ready for this. Cook pasta noodles. Let's wait for a bit. This is 1 kilo, so it looks like a lot. Really a lot. Multitasking, guys, multitasking, and then magluluto pa ng sinigang na. Oh. isda. I think that's okay now. Now I'm gonna put this, switch off the stove. The pasta is ready. Iba yung pasta dito. Kasi gawa ko naman ng isa. Nalagay ko dito yung kale. Yun, ano nung isa. I think I need to put this in now. Multitask guys, multitask. Ayan, nagluto lang ako dahil ng sinigang. Sa busy, medyo nakakalimutan ko yung aking mga ginagawa guys. Lagay ko na yung aking lulutuin na sinigang na isda. Salmon fish. Lagyan ko ng ilaw. Salmon fish, guys. Ito na, kasi nga, daytime, I don't wanna put the ilaw. So, but now, because I'm heavy cooking today because of Nathan's birthday, so, yeah. Ito yung sinigang kasi nagugutom na ako. Ang sinigang na ba tawag dito, salmon fish, the one I bought in town today. Oh God, maglilinis pa ako mamaya kasi bisita darating. So mag-spaghetti lang ako, cake. Tapos marami akong cake na binili para sa mga bata. May mga cake, a big cake actually. I ordered a big cake and I bought a cake also. So maybe he likes those cake. And also spaghetti at saka spring rolls. Yun lang ang aking luto kasi mukhang pero because I'm hungry, I need to eat. This is a salmon fish head guys. 1 pound yung salmon fish head, isang So kale ang binilagay ko dito. Tapos nagsinigang sinigang nga akong buto-buto ito. So nasa pressure cooker siya para malambot. So this is I'm gonna eat my lunch today before 3 o'clock comes. So I need to eat in a hurry. Cooking in a hurry, guys. But it's not gonna be in a hurry because I missed something here. Yeah, but this is salmon fish. Malu is coming after school also. So this is like a dinner now. But I need to eat nice food. Sarap ng sinigang. I like sinigang. Kasi mainit. Kasi malawig ang panahon. So kailangan ng sinigang. Salmon fish yan guys. Salmon fish head. Yun ang binili ko. Medyo maasim-asim. That's good. Yun ang lunch ko ngayon. At saka kanin. So, let's eat na. Mag-eat. It's time for me to eat. Ayan guys, it's time for me to eat while I'm doing some birthday cooking. I don't want to get wasted this thing. So I'm gonna do like shout out members, shout out super sellers, shout out to you guys. I'm gonna do some cooking. No, I'm not cooking. I'm gonna go eat because I'm hungry. I'm really hungry. And this is the rice. I put the rice now here so I can. Then I'm gonna do some fried rice for kids. Yeah, I'm gonna do some fried rice. Make sure I eat. I got no energy, so I'm gonna start a lot of cooking. So make sure I cook things for kids. But before that, I'm going to eat my favorite one, salmon fish head. Ayan. Not sure you can see this, but I'm going to eat. This is my plans for today. And then I'm still cooking some other stuff. I'm cooking some pork sinigang for others, but this is for me. I like the salmon fish head, but you have to cook in sinigang. Sarap. Kaya that's why I don't go shopping a lot. Because sometimes the food is wasting. No, like this, nearly. Ito yung fish. Nagkukawa ako ng spaghetti. Sarap ng sabaw. Sabaw lang. Okay na. Ang isda talaga. Maraming isda kanina. There's loads of fish in the market, but you know, I'm not able to cook them. Because the smell of the fish sometimes is weird. Here. I don't know why. But that's why only I like salmon fish. I don't know how the people do this every day in the market, because it's not like Philippines market. They have ice, everything. I mean, really control with the thing. It's hard job. Fish vendor. Ayan. Kumakain lang ako, guys. Salamat sa panonood. But I will enjoy this. Masarap. May bone pa siya. Ayan. Ito, boss. Bones ko. The bones is yummy. Tama lang yung asim niya. The taste is just right. Not too much sinigang mix. Just right. Lucky hindi ako nawala ng sinigang mix for years. Next year, hoping who's gonna come to the UK. I need some more stock. It's cheaper to buy back home. Guys, kamot. Hanggang dito na lang at continue ako kakain. Much love to you and good luck and God bless. And thank you to all the people always here. Michael for sharing all the time. Lahat po kayo. Maraming salamat sa mga team GPS. Lahat ng mga team dyan. Salamat guys. Salamat. Kung pwede nga lang i-remind nyo ako, i-play ko kayo guys. Due to my work na rin ako. Ano lang ako. Pero may time ako mag-play sa'yo ng 16 hours guys. Ayan. So, uubusin ko na ito yung pagkain ko. Salamat. At good luck po sa inyo. Ako continue kasi marami akong lulutuin ngayon. Dahil birthday ng anak ko. So, thank you so much for watching and God bless to you guys. Shout out to all my super chatters and members. Shout out. Love you guys. Have a good day. Sinigang sa tikman ko nga siya. Sinigang sa baboy. Ayan. Sinigang sa baboy. Nilagay ko na yung spinach para ano. And I'm gonna cook some spaghetti na. Ayan. So, ayan ko lang siya, guys. And then, I will close this and leave it. And then, do something later. And then, we'll still go there. And tapos na yung sinigang. So, I'm gonna cook now spaghetti now, guys. Spaghetti. And this is some spaghetti. This is how I do spaghetti. Just put pepper now. This is big pot. Because I need to make some sauces here.
Nag-i-inform ko pati sa social distancing.
Oo.
Okay man po na ako. Happy man sila na ma-open.